Dear customer, this is our automatical nylon zipper ultrasonic button stop machine. We use for transparent button stop. The function is fix the transparent button stop. Okay, let me show you this machine. This one is the electric box. And this one is the display screw. And this one is the zipper after gapping. This one is the transparent button stop. The size is 7.6 and 0.6. I mean the white is 7.6 and the finish is 0.6. This one is for number 7 nylon zipper. Let us start the machine. The zipper will go through from here. You can see it go through from here. Let's check the result. You can see it. It is very beautiful. You can see.